Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna go do a few chores, and first thing I do is get some water. I gotta go down to the high tunnel and get the water because the faucet in my barn's leaking. I've kind of got it where it stops, and I got a rebuild kit and I'm gonna put it in it. Not today, but that's something I gotta do in the next day or two. But we're gonna go down to the high tunnel and load up on some water, and then we'll go feed the goats. So, here we go. So you can see I haven't done any bush hogging or cleanup yet, so I've generally got that scheduled for be tomorrow. I get started on that hopefully. Kind of been waiting. Got a little short come out yesterday. It shows that my had a bunch of goldenrod. I had a good stand of goldenrod this year, which basically a weed, but bees love it, and I actually like the honey. I like the honey more of that than I do in the spring, although I do like the spring a lot. But that goldenrod's got more of a a lot of people don't like it. It's not got like a sweet taste to it, but it's got like a kind of like a earthy taste to it. It's different, and kind of what I like about it. So fill these things up, and then we'll drive up to the barn, and I gotta get, really gotta get that faucet done. Hopefully it won't take that long. I got a kit for it, so I'm gonna try to get that done the next day or two too. So I'm gonna get these filled up, and I'll meet y'all up here tomorrow. Not near as cold today as it was yesterday. I started on my chores yesterday and had to stop and go back and get a jacket. It feels pretty nice out. Of course, I got a long sleeve shirt on today, but it feels pretty nice out here today. So I know winter's coming. I gotta get that firewood up to the house, but we got a lot of things to do. So let's go ahead and get these goats fed. They're already hollering. I don't know if you can hear them. They're so impatient. Yeah, this is a culprit right here. I turn it on, but then it won't shut off. So I'm not gonna fool it right now. I'm coming. So let's get set up here and we'll get some feed going. Yeah, once a month I give them a little, I have to give them like a preventative wormer type thing. So that's what that little jug was. So let me set you up here and I'll feed these little girls here. What? Sometimes I just don't want to cooperate. I need to dump all this out of the way. Okay, I don't usually give him as much hay. Well, let me put my mess up. Yeah, this is a top dress warmer, so. And usually give it to him on about the 20th of every month. I know today's the 18th, so. But it's close enough, so I thought, well, I remembered it, I did. So, all right, let's load some chicken feed up, and they were good on water, so. All right, let's move on to the next place. Chickens are next. I got some, wow, there's supposed to be 15 pads in here. Look how thin that is. I don't know if they're just compressed or what. I bought them on Amazon. And I'm gonna try them in here. I tried shavings, and this is my new flock here. And they tore all the shavings out. And so I'm gonna try these pads and see how they work. Let's see what they look like. I don't know if it's, holy cow, I got chips in this. Holy cow. Look at these things. Look how thin they are. I got totally gypped on these. Well, let's put them in there, see what they did. Chickens. I got one egg today, so gosh almighty, I could have swore I bought these before from that same company. Oh man. Oh well, live and learn, right? All right, so let's move on to the sheep. Sheep are next. So the tarp we put on last week seems to be holding up pretty good. Yeah, I am gonna come back and staple this, but it is doing good. I think it's about, I usually like to let them sit for a week or two and let them stretch a little bit, but they seem to be doing all right. All right, another thing of chickens. Let's go move some more chickens. So I missed a lot of excitement. I didn't even film it, dadgummit, but one of the chickens got its leg trapped under the runner here. I had to lift it up and get it. Right, look right here. So it's they're starting to molt pretty bad, because look back here where they were for just a day or two. Look at all these feathers. And I got 2 eggs today. And I tried to use some of them old nesting pads. I put them in there, so I'm really disappointed in them things. So this right here is goldenrod, what I was talking about. I don't know if it's all through the country. Look, here's some honeybees right here. This thing is full of honeybees through here. I've got a little patch here, and I got another little patch kind of towards the house. I'm gonna kind of leave him for a day or two because I'm gonna start bush hogging. Put them eggs up before I break them, get in trouble. And I'm gonna leave them little patches maybe, because they're tearing it up, especially on a day like today. They're out. So go get some more water. We'll stop and water the apple trees, and we'll take care of the last bit of chickens. So I water the little trees. I water them every day, and the bigger trees I water every other day. So today's an every other day. So I watered the big ones yesterday. Not that big a deal. They seem to be doing all right. There's a spot I was kind of worried about, but it's kind of a little way, so I think they all look pretty good now. Matter of fact, I got a little bit of new growth. Speaking of new growth, I got to show you something just a second. I actually got 2 things to show you. So, got a little bit left over. Let's do this down here. All right, let me show you the one thing. Back in the fall, last fall, I planted some muscadines and didn't have a good place to put them, so we put them over where these apple trees were, and I kind of actually forgot about them, and we didn't mulch them or nothing, but I thought they were dead. But look at this muscadine vine. So they're doing really good. I got another one over here. It's doing really good too. It's actually climbing. It's got several vines on it. It's all right through here. Here's one. And there's one. So I'm gonna redo this as soon as I recover. I'm gonna move that one post in a little closer and re-stretch these strings and or wires and redo that. So got one more thing I'm gonna show you real quick, then we'll go take care of the last bit of chickens. Yeah, I had 2 zinnias pop up, so it's pretty cool. It's one of our favorite flowers, and we used to have a whole bunch right through here, and kind of mowed over them and let them go. So I might put them back out. I got a bunch of seeds from that I bought. I ain't planted from not this season, but season 4 last. So put them back out next year. We love zinnias; they're so pretty. But anyway, there's 2 that's come back out. One more chicken. Let's go get it. You can really see these molting like crazy too. There's feathers everywhere. I don't know if it's showing up on camera or not, but anyway, it's just I've been letting them sit for 2 days instead of every other day. And no eggs. Ain't got no eggs from this bunch in over 2 weeks. Huh. All right, I'm gonna put the water up. Appreciate everybody watching. I guess they're all going through a molt. I don't know. It's a lot of problem out of this flock this year. A lot of them was broody, and then now they're not laying, so I don't know. Anyway, what do you do? Got 3 eggs today, tearing it up. Anyway, I appreciate everybody watching. A little different video, do a little chores. So this is pretty much my daily routine. Do it every day. I ain't got that many more days to go for my surgery, so my wife be taking this over. But anyway, the other goldenrod's right behind us back there. Anyway, hope you liked it. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. Attend your local church. We appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next video.